Hello, today we are going to discuss about battery draining issue in the Lenovo LOQ model. So right now I am using a Lenovo LOQ AMD Ryzen 7 7345HX with RTX 4060 graphics card. So as you see, I set the thermal mode to custom mode so that we can get the peak performance from the laptop. And now I'm going to launch the game Forza Horizon 5 with the graphic settings, everything pretty much to ultra, and also enabled DLSS technology. You can see that I am launching the game with a 99% of charge. Also the power adapter is connected to the laptop. Launched the game around 12:48. Let's play the game for some time and then we can check the battery status and we can see how much it got dropped. And guys, regarding the laptop, it's one of the beast I can say. Like whatever task we are throwing on it, it handles pretty much easy everything. So I notice like the performance on the laptop is very good in the game or in the whatever task we are doing, like on video editing. So everything the laptop performs really good. So there is no issue in the performance. But what we are like talking right now is the laptop has battery draining issue whenever we play the high demanding games with the custom mode. And now I have played around 50 minutes in the game and now we can check the battery status. Yeah, as you can see the battery percentage is 94% even though the power adapter is connected to the laptop. So clearly it can see that the battery is draining. So I think the issue might be in the power adapter. Uh, the reason what I'm telling is the 170 watt power adapter is insufficient to this laptop since we are playing it in custom mode and we are having RTX 4060 graphics card. Uh, the laptop needs more power. Okay, now to fix the issue, what we need to do? We need to contact Lenovo Premium Support using the toll-free number. I will give it in the description. You can check it out. Inform the support person like whatever LAQ models you are having, and it was having the battery draining issue while playing the games in custom mode. Then the support person will guide you the process. He will take your system via remote control and he will update the BIOS and he will check the battery status report. After then he will ask you to take the picture of your laptop and the power adapter and then he will check the serial numbers and the barcodes in the charger and in the laptop which matches in the Lenovo repository. And then the support person will ask you a recorded video showing like the battery status getting drained in your laptop. So to do so, you need to record the video before starting the game. What is battery percentage you are having in your laptop, and then play the game in your laptop for some time, and then show the battery status after playing the game, and so that we can confirm that we are having the battery draining issue in our laptop. And the support person will take that video and then he will raise a request uh, to get the replacement of the power adapter uh, and the process will finish once he raised a work order. It will be created while we are in call with the support person. So whatever process I have told now will be done parallelly while we are in contact with the support person. Once the work order was raised, say for example, the work order was raised today, and the day after tomorrow most probably you will get the replacement power adapter. And that way the Lenovo premium support is really good. Then at the time of delivery they will give us a 230-watt power adapter, and then they will take away the 170-watt power adapter. Okay, now using 230-watt power adapter we need to play the games with the same settings in the custom mode, and then we can check whether the battery draining is present or not. And then finally I can say the battery draining issue was fixed with the 230-watt power adapter. I can confirm that I have played the games with the new 230-watt power adapter, and I saw there is no battery draining in the laptop. Yeah, that's it. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section. And also thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.